Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Get it out of here. Give me a sec. All right. These two kits, they're both Joy Sundays, come from DiamondArtDecor, and if they have any specials or any coupons or Black Friday sales, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's take a look at the first one. I'm going to get this out of our way here. And this one is 21 by 29, 14 count. And it was $4. Whoops, if I can get a hold of it. $4.09. Put the bag up there. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag that we just so love. But isn't he cute? There are like about 10 of these this size. I believe they're all this size. Yeah. To pick from. But yeah, I just thought it was cute. I like the poinsettias and the hearts and the snowman, and we got a bird. We got berries. You got all the things. So yeah, and it's not very big, so yeah, why not, right? I thought it'd be a nice quick stitch for Christmas. All right, so it does have a little bit of back stitching in it. Just kind of here, there, and everywhere. And the background is like around the snowman. That blue symbol is a half cross stitch. So, wow. Boy, this is for people that really can't see. This is huge. So we have full stitch, 3/4 stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. And thankfully there's not a whole bunch of stitching on this, and it's not very big, so it'll be just fine. It is 90 stitches wide by 120 stitches high. Here's your product number and the name of it. It's all on one page. We have 310 black, 666 red, 304, which is a brick red, and B5200 for the white. So you have 18 colors in full stitch. And you have 3 3/4 stitch, 1 1/2 stitch that I told you about, and 3 different French knots, and 4 colors in back stitch. So it's pretty cut and dry. And them 3/4 stitches I'm not real keen on. I'm not sure where they all go or why. I think it's down here in this scarf, so there's maybe 3 or 4 of them. There's a few up here in this hat, or in the berries on the hat, shall we say. So yeah, not too bad at all. I guess the total number of colors is 18. So, cool. Does come on the nice thread card that has how many strands, DMC number, and then the thread card number. And also the product number here, and 2 needles. But nice, beautiful reds and greens that you would expect for Christmas, and blues. Got a little tanny gold. Some bright, bright orange. I'm assuming that's for his nose, maybe. I didn't see if there was any other place that was orange. Nope. Just his orange, and his nose. Maybe in the centers of this. I can't tell. So, yeah. Maybe those are just French knots. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Nice, bright, and vivid. I like that part. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oh, stay there, please. It is serged all the way around. Now, this is going to look kind of blobby. And when I say that, it means that the back stitching is going to bring out all the details in this. And for that, the little boughs of pine, it's already marked, so you just follow them. So that's nice, you don't have to guess. It has not been wet. It is very well printed. Very easy to see symbols. So yeah, you could just do this in probably a week and a half. Maybe, if you just stuck with it, unlike me. But you have your regular stitches here. You have your 3/4 stitches here. This is your half stitch for that green around there. Your French knot and your back stitch. So yeah, pretty simple. Pretty simple. Simple. If I could just talk today. Holy cow. About 29.5. So it's just a little bit longer than it said. By 21. Yep. Actual picture size is almost 6 inches or a little over 16 centimeters by almost 8 3/4 stitches. 8 3/4 inches or 22 centimeters. So not too big. So yeah, just a nice, cute little Christmas project. And he'd look good framed or made into a little pillow. You could get like 2 or 3 of these and make them into little pillows to sit on the couch during the holidays. Or you can make them all into pictures and put them in frames. It's up to you. It's your kit. Now, let me move these scissors before I drop them. Yeah, I put when I went on my excursion for Thanksgiving, I took one of my zip bags and my cross stitch, and those were the scissors that I grabbed, so I wanted to make sure that I got them out of there. Yeah. So the next one, let's proceed on, is 39 by 50, 14 count, and it was $16.59. I saw this and I just fell in love with this. This would make a lovely companion piece to the lady that's in the garden. You know, she's looking at all the blossoms and everything. The one in the lace dress, you know, that turned out to be such a yike. Yeah, you can finish both of these. I'll give you a big old gold star. Is that not beautiful? I just like the old world look to it. It's just gorgeous. It says, feed the birds too. Now this says 48 by 57, not 39. So, I don't know. So, it's a little bit bigger than I thought. But, yeah, I just love the pinks and the greens. A little bit of orange tinge to things. You've even got some blue flowers. They're blue on her dress. And the pinks. It's just got everything. It's just gorgeous. And it looks like we're going to have some half cross stitches. I don't know what the back stitching is going to look like, or if there is any. So, has a great big booklet here. Trying to get, nope, it's all full cross. So you can add as much back stitching to it as you want. We have a total of 51 colors. And it is 220 by 268. And you have all these symbols go with this paper pattern. And all the ones on the right go to the canvas. So that is very nice. I'm glad they're doing that now. The booklet is 9 pages long, so they've separated it into 9 sections. So very well printed as usual. It's gridded on the side and gridded on the top, so if you have to look for a symbol, you know exactly where you're going. So I'm glad they didn't complicate this. It's just absolutely beautiful. But there is going to be some confetti. Confetti Manetti, but very well printed pattern. Just lovely. Just absolutely lovely. Let's take a look at those threads. There is a little bit of a wad here because it's got it. We got 2 thread cards, 2 needles on the good thread cards like I showed you before. So we have greens and oranges and kind of a yellowish orange. I don't know how else to explain it. B5200. Did I tell you what the colors were? Holy cow. I'm doing well. Doing well. Alright, we have 310 black. We have 321 red, which is what I call Christmas red. We have no 550 purple. We have 823, no 93. Oh, we do have 939. No 3371. And B5200. So, very nice. Very, very nice. I don't see any other colors that I recognize. Oh, 814, it's a brick red. And we have that pewter color, that 3799. So, now let's look at the colors. Sorry. There's that pewter color I was talking about. Sometimes they substitute it for black. We have blues, we have pinks, we have rust, rustish orange, blues, dark blues. There's your 939. Kind of an olive green, kind of a grass green. We have pinks, mauves, just all sorts of colors. Just absolutely stunning. And they're all kind of antique-y looking. I just love the way this picture looks. Just absolutely love it. There's your 321 red. Thought this had 666 red. Maybe not. Nope. Beautiful colors. Just stunning, stunning colors. Put them all together here so you all can see. But just gorgeous. They all go together very nicely. Nothing's overdone. They do such a good job with the colors, you know, and getting them all to mesh together, because that's not an easy job. And get things shaded. I think that's what I like about it. Let's take a look at this canvas. It also does not look like it's been wet. Now this one's another one of those lighter canvases. But you can see where all the rivers of colors are and how it's all going to be very well shaded. Nice big key along the sides. And at the bottom, very easy to see symbols, numbers, DMCs. Gorgeous. It does have the name and the product numbers. And on this side, it tells you how many stitches per stitch. This is a full cross stitch. Just absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's see what it measures. About 57.5 centimeters, or a little over 22.5 inches. Sorry. And this way it is little over 47.5 centimeters, or 18 3/4 inches. Actual picture size is 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4 inches, by 19 1/4 inches, or a little over 48.5 centimeters. So yeah, it's fair size, full coverage. It's going to be stunning. Just stunning. I love this. I saw this, gosh, 2 or 3 months ago, and I was like, yeah, I gotta have that one. Gotta have that one. And I never got around to it until right now. So, yeah, and very well printed. Let me fold it in half so I can pick it up. But it is pretty light. But once you get it away from the camera, I can see it very nicely. and pick out all the symbols. I'll try to hold it as still as I can. But it's just kind of a lighter canvas, but very well done. Very well done. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for these 2 gorgeous kits. I love them both. Just wonderful. Now, Diamond Art Decor does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They also do scrapbooking, and they have some quilling art and the wax seal stuff there. They also do custom diamond painting, and they always have a great selection, great prices, and you just can't go wrong. And I'm sure that they're still having their Black Friday sale, so do check them out, because I think it's like buy 3 get 1 free, buy 8 get 2 free, and then so on and so on. So do check them out. Plus you get 8% or 10% off, and I'm not sure if I have a discount code or what my discount code is, so do check that out. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.